Hello boys and girls, it's Michael again from Miniature Painting. Today we are going to make part 2 of the base. Not part 2 of the base, but part 2 of the monolith. And which will be, of course, the base which we are going to make, fill up and build like I want to. It won't be that easy for me because it's basically a big puzzle, but you'll see when I'll start building it. So if you feel fancy, give me a subscribe. If you don't feel fancy, don't give me a subscribe, just give me a like, give me a comment, whatever you want. But it's time to go with the base.
Yeah, so here we are. I did coat the base with a little bit of sand and glued it stuck as good as possible, and then I will be putting the monolith over the holes to cover the holes, of course. So when I've done this, just like right now, go on, yeah, bleep, there you go. I will show you the skulls. I made 4 plates of these skulls. So yeah, that's an awesome lot of skulls, I suppose. There's 3 ones, there's the U shape, there's the square shape, and there's the single skull, which I will be fitting around, just like you see right here, on the base to cover the whole bottom of the base. There you go. That looks pretty awesome. And now I just take off the base again because it needs to go to a priming state. Because now I need to go with the second layer. Yes, there's more layers coming. So there you go. I primed it. Now it's time to glue the monolith tight on the base. Just 4 drips on every side. And then with some Kriya patch, which is basically PVA glue, which... there, the cat is harassing me again. Which is basically PVA glue, sorry for that guys, to put some Lux APS, desert sand and stone on it to hide the unpainted parts of the miniature. So wait for that to dry and start building upon layer upon layer upon layer upon layer of skulls. This was a damn hard job. There is a lot to do here. But then again, I've got a nice base, I've got a nice monolith, and it shows exactly what it's going to do, and it's going to be causing a lot of death on the battlefield. Because, well, it's death. There you go. Now the whole base is covered with skulls, 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 skulls and everywhere. They're all glued shut, and now it's almost time to paint. There you go. Thank you for watching, guys. On to part 3, and we'll see each other there. We'll start to paint. Bye-bye now.